My name is Palaiologk. I work in Future Needs as a research consultant, but also a researcher. My background is in economics, and in this particular project, we work on the business aspects of aviation models. RefMap is an important research project because what we are trying to achieve is gather feedback from the community and the stakeholders about the importance of incorporating in future business aviation models the environmental factors. So at the moment, everyone is obviously focused on money, even if we say we focus on environment. How can we really focus on environment and factor environment in the business models of future aviation? And that means both the use space, so the drone area, the newer area of aviation, but as well the traditional aviation sector. Our role in the project as Future Needs is dual. We do the communication activities, we lead those, but at the same time we focus on business modeling. So on the side of business modeling, what is important is to bring the stakeholders inside the project, gather their feedback, create a minimum valuable product, and then use this minimum valuable product to guide the research development of the other partners. So traditionally, research projects, they are more linear. They would just make a plan and do the development of the tools. But what we try to do here is to gather feedback on the initial plan and then really incorporate the feedback from the stakeholders, the community, into the research process. So that would mean to possibly change a little bit the questions, change a little bit the characteristics, and that is a very difficult process. So we are going to go through a number of iterations. We're going to have interviews with stakeholders, but we are also going to have focus groups to dive even deeper into what the initial results are going to present. RefMap.eu, it's very easy. I'm very proud of our dissemination team. They did a great job, so you can find a lot of information there. But you can also, of course, follow us on the social media, on LinkedIn and Twitter. And we post very regularly. You will find great things, news of the sector, but also updates about the project itself. And who knows, maybe future plans. Yes, we're looking for collaboration. We would like to invite stakeholders who are interested in the reduction of the environmental impact of aviation to contribute with their opinion into our project. So basically, this would mean airlines, policymakers, the general community, local authorities, environmental agencies, whoever that is, who are regulating this space and are interested in making the aviation sector greener. They are invited to tell us through our interviews and focus groups whether they find the tools useful, which particular characteristics of the tools they find useful, and whether they would like us to consider other things in our future research that we have not considered so far.